Welcome to today's Cyber Brief, powered by CybLynx, where we bring you the latest in cybersecurity threats, vulnerabilities, and global intelligence. I'm Vivian Berry, and here are the top stories shaking up the cyber world. Headlines: Citrix Bleed 2. Critical Citrix vulnerability now under active exploitation. Meta AI chat flaw. User chats leaked due to misconfig in Meta's AI assistant Chinese APTs. Taiwan's chipmakers targeted in state-sponsored espionage campaigns. 1. Citrix Bleed 2. Critical NetScaler vulnerability being actively exploited. A new vulnerability, CVE 2025-5777, nicknamed Citrix Bleed 2, has emerged in Citrix NetScaler ADC and gateway appliances. The flaw allows attackers to bypass authentication and gain sensitive session tokens. Citrix released a patch on June 17, 2025. However, by July 10th, Cyber added the bug to its known exploited vulnerabilities catalog, confirming it's being actively exploited in the wild. Experts warn this could lead to widespread breaches if not patched immediately. Source: ReliaQuest, Cyber.gov, TechRadar 2, Meta AI Assistant bug leaked user chats. Meta fixed a critical bug in its AI Assistant chatbot that was accidentally leaking prompts and responses across users. The bug was reported on December 26, 2024 and patched by January 24, 2025, but only disclosed publicly in July 2025. The issue stemmed from a caching misconfiguration which exposed users' sensitive interactions, posing major privacy risks. Source: Tom's Guide. 3 Chinese APTs target Taiwan semiconductor firms in espionage wave. According to Proofpoint and Team T5, Chinese state-sponsored threat actors are actively targeting Taiwan's semiconductor industry. Between March and June 2025, multiple espionage campaigns were launched using phishing, credential harvesting, and implant malware to exfiltrate sensitive data. The findings were published by Reuters on July 16-17, 2025, confirming the campaigns likely aimed to gather trade secrets from the top chip makers. Source: Reuters. Team T5. Tom's hardware closing. Note cyber threats are getting bolder and more targeted. Ensure your systems are patched, your teams are alert, and your incident response plans are up to date. This has been your Cyber Brief with Vivian Berry, powered by CybLynx. Stay secure, stay informed.